JunyTony. Juny will think I'm a shark. Ah! It's a shark! It's me, Tony! Oh, Tony? Huh? Tony! What is it, Juny?
Hello!
Ah! Oh boy! It's a real shark! A great white shark! Please don't eat me! Please! I won't make fun of Juny. I'll be a good boy. I promise!
Huh? I just want to play with you guys. I was trying to play with a ball because I'm so full.
You were?
We don't hunt anytime. We only hunt for food when we're hungry. But you have a point, because we're known as the very best hunter of the sea for a long time. My sharp teeth, enormous jaw, strong muscles, and powerful tail fin. Not every fish can be the largest predator, can it?
Stop showing off!
I'm not showing off. Everyone trembles when they see my dorsal fin from afar.
Of course! Come on, Juny, be nice to her.
Let me tell you how cool we sharks are.
We're here to help you.
Oh, you came just in time.
Hi, I'm Mako Shark, the fastest shark in the world. I swim in the rough sea with my long, pointed snout and a tail fin that's perfect for swimming.
Do you breathe while swimming that fast?
We sharks breathe by absorbing the oxygen contained in the water. That's why we must swim, so that water keeps coming into the gills.
You must be very tired.
Well, yeah. But like other fish, we can wag our tails from side to side and change direction with our chest fins.
I'm Saw Shark. I look for food with my sharp saw blade snout. I can find food accurately with the barbells on my saw blade snout. I look like a sawfish, so remember my barbells.
With your long snout, it must be easy for you to dig up the ground.
Yes, it is. Sharks hunt for food with excellent senses, even if they don't have barbells like mine. We can even feel the electricity in addition to a sense of sight, touch, taste, hearing, and smell.
Whoa, electricity?
Yeah. Every living thing sends out a small electrical signal. Sharks can feel the signal and find food easily through a sensory organ called Lorenzini.
Wow, it's amazing that you can feel the electricity.
And there's more. Hi, I'm Hammerhead. My two eyes are on the tip of my head that look like a hammer. Thanks to my eyes on both sides, I can see everywhere with a little turn.
Saw shark like a saw, hammerhead like a hammer. You guys look unique.
I have another unique secret with my scales.
What is it?
My scales are shiny on the outside, but rough when you touch them. These scales protect my body like a shield from an injury. It's like I'm wearing armor. Feel free to touch them.
Well then...
Touch my strong teeth too.
Hey! You scared me big time!
You already know about me, the great white shark, right? I have no problem with any prey because of my big, strong teeth and jaw.
But you should be careful about eating hard food. Hard food might break your teeth.
Oh, no. No need to worry, Juny. Our new teeth keep growing in rows anyway. Just like escalators. My old tooth just came out.
Oh, there are so many fun facts about sharks. So, hey, shark, can I keep that tooth to commemorate our friendship?
Sure, here you go.
Wow, thank you. I'll place it under the pillow for the tooth fairy. What?
over, sharks! 1, 2, 3, 4. Introduce yourselves, everyone. Let's go!
Sha-sha-sha-shark, I'm a great white shark. I hunt with my razor-sharp teeth. Sha-sha-sha-shark, I'm a great white shark. I can hear everything, even from far away. Sha-sha-sha-sha-shark, shark, sha-sha-sha-shark.
Sha-sha-sha-shark, I'm a mako shark. I hunt with my long pointy teeth. Sha-sha-sha-shark, I'm a mako shark. I swim the fastest of all sharks.
Sha-sha-sha-sha-shark, shark, sha-sha-sha-shark.
Sha-sha-sha-shark, I'm a hammerhead shark. I hunt with my hammer-shaped head. Sha-sha-sha-shark, I'm a hammerhead shark. I hunt alone when the sun goes down.
Sha-sha-sha-sha-shark, shark, sha-sha-sha-shark.
Sha-sha-sha-shark, I'm a saw shark. I hunt with my saw-like snout. Sha-sha-sha-shark, I'm a saw shark. I have a special snout and it's so cool.
Sha-sha-sha-sha-shark, shark, sha-sha-sha-shark.
Come over, sharks! 1, 2, 3, 4. Great white shark, mako shark,